feels so amazing to be alive during like such an important event in history. Like, I cannot wait until I have grandchildren and I can tell them, like, I was there in Japan when McDonald's came out with spicy chicken nuggets. No way, Grandma! What?
I'm not surprised, I sympathize. I can't deny your appetite. You got a fetish for my love. I'll push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming. If I were you, I'd tell me.
Hey, it's Sunday and today I'm with Lily and Layla and Erica.
I like to poop and run on my wheel. I also like chicken nuggets.
Okay, what kind of sauce do we have? It's all in Chingchong, so...
You're laughing a little too hard. It's a spicy sauce, but in Japan it's probably not that spicy. And in Japanese it's called spicy sauce.
We
got sour cream onion sauce.
Actually, we had spicy nuggets in America, but they had like these like chunks of like mystery junk in there. And it looked so freaking gross.
And there's a disclaimer on the lid. Don't let that spiciness get you!
Cheers!
Come on!
To diabetes.
This is not spicy. It's not spicy at all.
It tastes really good, but I don't know what
This
they're
is like the
talking about.
spiciness for baby.
Baby's first spice. Let's try like this spicy sauce.
Spicy on spicy. You guys, this is not knocking me out at all.
Are you okay?
It tastes like
Sour cream.
spice and mayonnaise. I knew this was not gonna be spicy. I just knew y'all wasn't gonna get it right.
What your juice, my baby? Here's your...
Can I get my apple juice in a big girl cup?
Doesn't this remind you of like a Cheeto?
Like a hot
With a
Cheeto.
nugget? If they had a baby, this is it.
They're pretty good, like health, not health-wise, but cleanliness-wise.
hygiene?
Yeah, hygiene. They actually do care about mixing the oils and all that.
No,
They
no.
use vegetable oil. That was such a lie. It was like lard. Those are cute, hey?
Yeah, they are.
Landed in my mouth, but my mouth is so small. 1, 2.
Talk about like a grease.
I got it!
Here we go.
Nugget down! I'm like not pro McDonald's. I'm just saying it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
By the way, this is not sponsored. It should be.
Hashtag ad.
I am so ready for a commercial for McDonald's. I am made for McDonald's. Who needs Burger King when you have McDonald's? I'm such a McDonald's. Like, the only junk food we ate growing up was McDonald's.
Dude, this was like a prize. Mom be like, it's your birthday, you get a fry. Wait,
You got some McDonald's money?
this is my second McDonald's meal today. I had a cheeseburger Happy Meal.
you're gonna die.
Needed to get a Happy Meal. Do you want to see my collection?
Lily got one of these, but I got one of these too, and it lights up. Phew. And this is a character that's really popular in Japan, but also it's getting popular overseas. And I love this guy. He's my spirit animal. Is that what they say, spirit animal? It says something. He's saying ochiru, so it means I'm falling. He's a negative egg. And then this one is so useless. I got this today. It literally just like, oh wait, the face is here. Phew, that's it. So yay, there he is. There's my collection.
I can't. Twerking calls for having a butt.
Twerk some.
While her toys rattle.
Remember some kansai person got mad at me for saying Maku? And they're like, what are you, from Tokyo? I'm like, yeah, actually. Like, what are you, from Kansai? Country piece of shit. I'm just kidding. Sorry, Kansai people gave me so much shit when I lived there because my Japanese was Tokyo. Like Tokyo.
What are you doing?
I'm putting ketchup.
For the fries.
That was barbecue sauce.
No, it looks really dark. It's over. It's actually expired. But it tastes normal.
Just a bunch of classy broads over here.
Listen to the rhythm. Rhythm on the streets. Open up your eyes. Open up together. I don't even want to know.
Hey,
What a wonderful kind of day where we can learn to like and play and get along with each other.
Hey! Hey, DW!
What do you rate this? Like,
Who's first? Me? Maybe say 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
Alright, Erica.
I'm gonna say 6.5. 5.
Ooh, that's low.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'll say 6.
I just wanted it to be spicier.
I think like out of everything, I'm gonna say it's like a 7.5.
Just in general.
8. I mean, they are good. Just imagine a normal chicken nugget with some pepper on it. But this sauce is a 10. The spicy sauce. Come to Japan. You guys gotta try this. But you have to like legit come in like the next week. She's so freaking fat, dude.
Excuse. Hey, my name's Kiko. Nice to meet you, fam.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We've eaten all the nuggets.
Bye.
Bye.